Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech, where we break down the top 3 best bait casting fishing reel options to help you choose the perfect reel for power, precision, and smooth casting. Whether you're a beginner or a pro angler, this list has you covered. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Takuma P1DC bait casting fishing reel. The Takuma P1DC bait casting fishing reel represents a blend of innovation and performance designed to elevate the fishing experience. At its core, the reel features a smart electronic brake system, effectively addressing backlash issues that often challenge anglers, particularly beginners. This system ensures smooth and stable casting even in crosswinds or challenging conditions, allowing users to focus on their technique without frustration. Engineered for durability, the Takuma P1DC is nano-waterproof and equipped with a 5-kilogram maximum drag, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater environments. This robust drag capacity provides reliable control over medium to large fish, giving anglers confidence when tackling a variety of catches. One of the reel's standout features is its self-charging technology, which harnesses the energy generated during casting to power the reel's electronic functions. This eliminates the need for batteries or frequent charging, ensuring uninterrupted use throughout long fishing sessions. The reel also boasts a versatile metal short spool that is lightweight and highly responsive. This design is ideal for techniques such as micro-jigging, long-distance casting, and handling a range of lure types, offering flexibility for different fishing styles. Adding a modern twist, the Takuma P1DC includes colorful LED lights and electronic sound feedback, delivering a unique sensory experience with every cast. These features not only enhance functionality, but also bring a touch of style and fun to fishing, making each outing more engaging. With its combination of advanced technology, durability, and playful design, the Takuma P1DC bait casting fishing reel is crafted to provide anglers of all levels a reliable and enjoyable fishing experience. Coming in at number 2, we have the Haibo Arise bait casting fishing reel. The Haibo Arise bait casting fishing reel represents a leap forward in lightweight, high-performance fishing technology. Weighing only 139 grams, the Haibo Arise UT is designed for anglers who value comfort and endurance during long fishing sessions, reducing fatigue without compromising performance. This reel belongs to the Arise Ultra Air UT series, a line of versatile casting reels engineered to handle a variety of fishing scenarios. Whether targeting freshwater species or handling different bait types, it offers the adaptability that both amateur and experienced anglers seek. At the heart of the Haibo Arise UT is its 30mm spool diameter, which enables smooth casting and retrieval. This feature allows for precise control over the line and enhances the effectiveness of long-distance casts, making it suitable for diverse fishing environments and techniques. Constructed with a magnesium alloy frame, the reel combines strength and lightweight design. This material choice ensures that the reel remains durable and resistant to wear and corrosion, while maintaining a sleek, manageable profile for the user. Optimized specifically for bait casting, the Haibo Arise UT excels in delivering accurate, consistent casts. Its engineering supports fine control over lure placement, giving anglers an edge when precision is essential. The combination of lightweight, strong construction, and smooth operation positions the Haibo Arise bait casting fishing reel as a reliable companion for those seeking both performance and ease of use on the water. This reel seamlessly blends innovation and practicality, making it a standout option for anglers who demand precision, endurance, and versatility in a compact, durable package. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shimano Scorpion DC bait casting fishing reel. The Shimano Scorpion DC Baitcasting fishing reel is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for anglers seeking precision and efficiency. Its high degree of freedom drip wheel allows adaptability across a variety of fishing methods, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Equipped with the newly developed MGL line cup, the reel delivers exceptional casting performance, enabling smooth and long-distance casts that enhance overall fishing experience. With an increased line capacity, the Scorpion DC expands the range of target species, accommodating everything from bass to sea bass and other game fish. The drive center incorporates precision-engineered gears that ensure strong cable take-up while maintaining low noise during operation. This combination of power and smoothness allows anglers to handle heavier catches with confidence. A standout feature of the reel is the IDC5 brake system, which automatically adjusts braking force to prevent line backlash, providing reliable control even in challenging conditions. Shimano offers multiple gear ratios to suit different fishing styles: 6.2 for normal speed, 7.4 for high speed, and 8.5 for super high speed, giving users flexibility depending on the target species and technique. Built for performance, adaptability, and durability, the Shimano Scorpion DC Baitcasting fishing reel is engineered to elevate every fishing session. Its combination of advanced braking technology, precision gearing, and versatile speed options makes it a dependable choice for both casual anglers and seasoned professionals aiming for efficiency and success on the water. That's a real wrap. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more expert fishing gear reviews and top tech picks.